Okay, so now I will show you another tool that I find really interesting. It's a tool that allows you to transfer your voice into an instrument. And there are several instruments that are available now, like a violin, sax, and trumpet. So the idea is that what I show you now, it's a notebook. We call it a notebook, and it looks like a blog, but it's really an interface. It's developed by the researcher themselves. So it's a kind of intermediary state between a prototype and the product. So what I will do is, now I've installed, you can go to this address and do the same thing as me. You have to install and import the model, and then you have the choice of between recording with your microphone or import an audio file. And what I did is that I imported a very short audio file of my voice singing this. It's kind of improvisation that I did. And so the system analyzed, you see the spectrogram, it analyzed the voice, and now I load a model. I have the choice between violin, flutes, trumpet, saxophone. I like the saxophone, so I load it. And then I can modify the condition, but this setting is really working well. But if you have some kind of weird result, you can always play with those parameters. They are really working well. And at the end, it will resynthesize the audio, and I will play the result. So it sounds like a saxophone, and you can try all the instruments. They are really fun, like the flute or violins. And I can show you how I used it in a song. So I switched to, by the way, I want to show you that recently, the guy who did this tool, he created a plugin, and it's really kind of the same process. So I think it's available. You can search for this on the internet, and you can choose, a bit like you have the same possibility. You can choose an instrument. There are maybe less, but there is a new one that is really interesting. So I invite you to have a look. And just for fun, this is the saxophone. And I also use the violin model. I think it's really interesting. I play the voice that I gave. And this is the result with a violin. And so I use this tool because I was singing a song with a kind of clown voice, giving you bad news.
This is a sad song for you, babe. Sad song for you, babe. Really, really sad.
So I found it interesting to have solos wandering around this voice and giving a dramatic feeling to this mood. So for example, in this part, I've mixed a violin and a saxophone here. And all the flutes that you hear, they are made with this DDSP. So that creates something. I think it's interesting because it's more than MIDI. You can really create expressive rendering with those kind of tools. So I invite you to try by yourself and have fun with this.